Hey sellers, I know you're a little bit facing some tough times, but you'll get over it. Look, I'm still a great believer in Dubai and its fundamentals, and it is still a great place to build your property empire with even $150,000 or less. Get my book, The Intelligent Real Estate Investor, you'll be on your way. But Mr. Seller, let's assume you're looking to sell your property. We know that the last 3 years have been a little bit difficult, right, given the global economy, the local economy, but let's talk mano a mano, right? Let's talk my 2 cents with you, your 2 cents. Let's talk honest, heart to heart. Do you want the person who's helping you, the real estate agent, right? Because a lot of times people don't take advice from serious professional real estate agents who've been working in Dubai for like 10 years, right? Do you want them to be completely honest with you, or do you want to hear what you want to hear? Be honest with me, right? Do you want the honest truth, even if it's ugly, or you just want to hear what you want to hear? Now, you might have answered that, but let me give you an example, an analogy, okay? Imagine if somebody you know or I know, somebody we know had to go to the doctor for something that he feels is terribly wrong with him or her. And when they get to the doctor, do they want the doctor to tell them the God-honest truth, exactly what they're suffering with, so that they can prescribe them the exact medicine that would take for them to get better and get going? Or do they want the doctor to tell them, hey, listen, Jane, listen, John, Peter, whatever, all's good, go home, enjoy your life, nothing to worry about? Obviously, you want the doctor to tell the truth. Well, in real estate, your real estate agent, especially the one who's got experience, right? Let's say 5+ years, 7+ years, whatever. He's the expert in the domain, okay? And if he comes to you backing up a price recommendation with actual transactional data from the Dubai Land Department, with actual data from the field, from the ground, you gotta listen to him. Because if you don't, and you price it in a price bracket that's not conducive, then generally speaking, you're gonna have a terrible disease called no viewings. And the longer the time passes when the property suffers from this disease called no viewings, and more properties start coming onto the market that are similar to yours, every week, every month, every 2 months that pass by, your property price is going lower and lower and lower. So you really need to consider that and keep it in mind that if there's an expert who's giving you advice, you got to open up your eyes and mind and ear and heart to actually listen to what they got to say and perhaps implement it.